Hey everyone. I'm still working on exercise 15 this Friday, and again, I've already given you guys a solution. However, I thought it will be better if I give out another one. There we go, man. My niece. What the heck you want? Oh, she wanted me to peel a banana for her. Okay. So now that I've got that out of the way, let me initiate my loop. So I'm gonna have theta there, starting from 0 to what? 360, excluding 360, of course. Now I'll avoid unnecessary variables by doing the following. I'm displaying theta, and then I'm invoking my round method, which of course we need to round off by 4. What is it we want to round off? We want to round off the results of sine, radians, theta. Okay, now there we've got that. What I want to do is to set my separator 1, 2, 3, and then I want to set my end variable, not variable arguments. So I'm done doing that just like before. Something go around. This time around I'm passing cos of an angle, radians, theta. Okay, so this is my second solution. Well, let me leave a space there. Okay, I think it is time for me to hit the run button and see what we get. Let me do so. Really? Oh yeah, it seems like we good, everyone. Seems like we good. Okay, that's gonna be it for this tutorial, you guys. Cheers. I'm go.